Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best deshedding tool that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DakPets dog hair and cat hair deshedding tool. Get your pet looking like a real pampered pet with this DakPets deshedding brush for dogs and last. This is the perfect grooming tool for your pets that quickly removes unsightly hair from your pet with a 4-inch steel rust-resistant combs. It's also great for you with a soft grip ergonomic handle. Your pet will love the extra care they get when you brush their coats with this deshedding tool. It removes the dead hair from the undercoat and leaves the top coat looking healthy and shiny. No more unsightly matted hair. Your pet will feel loved and cared for with regular brushing with this great tool. Moving on at number 4, we have the Pet Neat Professional Deshedding Tool for dogs and cats. Pamper your little fur baby with this professional deshedding brush from Pet Neat. The brush will work well on most hair lengths and thicknesses and effectively removes the messy, loose undercoat without damaging the beautiful top coat. It can effectively reduce shedding up to 95%, so you won't need to clear the mess of pet hair from your furniture or floors. Best of all, your pet will love the attention you give them, and the gentle actions of the brush will also boost your pet's blood flow. At number 3, we have the Furminator Undercoat Deshedding Tool for dogs. The Furminator Undercoat Deshedding Tool for dogs. This is one of the best deshedding tools for dogs with long hair, as it works mainly on removing the loose hairs from the undercoat without damaging the top coat. More importantly, the curved edge glides over the natural curves of your dog, which prevents scratching the delicate skin underneath all the fluff. The ergonomic handle makes this deshedding tool easy and comfortable to use, so you and your dog will enjoy some quality bonding time that is good for your dog's health as well as their appearance. At number 2, we have the Pat Your Pet Deshedding Tool. The trouble with a mass on knotted, matted pet hair is getting started on removing the mess on your pet. Most pet owners procrastinate when a pet needs matted fur to be removed, and this only makes things worse. Leave the matting long enough and you may need professional help to get rid of the matting. With this Pat Your Pet grooming tool, you can get rid of the matted fur and groom your pet with this one convenient tool. The side with 9 teeth cuts through the matted mess for easy removal, and the other side is for easy thinning and deshedding. This is the deshedding tool recommended by professional pet groomers, but we're sure your pet will prefer their grooming done by you. If you love taking long walks with your little pouch, here are some handy dog water bottles you might also need. And finally, at number 1, we have the SleekEZ Original Deshedding Tool for dogs, cats and horses. The SleekEZ Original Deshedding Grooming Tool for dogs, cats and horses is one of those deshedding tools you just have to have for your pets. It removes more shedding fur, dirt, and dander than many other deshedding tools, and it is super easy to use and keep clean. This is the world's #1 patented deshedding tool for pets and is made from premium-grade poplar wood with stainless steel blades. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hands, so treat your furry friends to a little bit of love. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon